For example, if you're asked to find the vertex and lattice rectum of this curve, which is a parabola, y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 6. We have understood that a quadratic function is always a parabola. So you're asked to find the vertex and lattice rectum of this parabola. So each time you don't need to do the derivation. So we have already derived the vertex to be minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. And the lattice rectum is 1 by a. So what is the discriminant of this quadratic? B square minus 4 times 2 times 6, that is equal to 25 minus 48, that is equal to minus 23. So the vertex is minus of b by 2a is 4 minus of d by 4 times is 8, that is equal to 5 by 4 comma 23 by 8. So the vertex of this parabola is 5 by 4 comma 23 by 8. And what is the lattice rectum? It's directly 1 by 2. That's it. So if you remember this formula for lattice rectum, you will be saving a lot of time. So directly 1 by a is the lattice rectum. Thank you.